everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we'll be talking about some jewelry. Of course you know this by the title, but today I'll be showing you some really nice traditional jewelry in the form of a jewelry subscription box which is called as ORNABOX. ORNABOX, of course. So I'm pretty sure you have already seen this box on a lot of YouTubers channels, and I have been wanting to do this ORNABOX ka subscription box, the jewelry ones, because I don't think there are a lot of jewelry subscription boxes that we have in our country, and that's why I was very inclined towards this one, mainly because of the kind of reviews that I saw. So today I have those two boxes, the blue one and the green one, to show you guys. The prices, the details and everything, the buying link and everything will be in the description box below, so that it is easier for you, just in case if you want to buy it, you can go ahead in the description box and probably check that out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you what all we have in this box. So of course these boxes are priced differently. It'll be mentioned on the screen for you guys, but today I'm very excited to show you some really nice traditional ethnic Indian jewelry, because of course we love it, right? And you can never have enough Indian ethnic jewelry, and I have already peeped into the box. I really like their quality and I'm very excited to show you guys. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So I am going to start with the box number blue. I'm very confused as to what we have in the blue one and as to what we have in the green one. So I'm going to start with box number blue. I'm going to keep it here and let's start with box number blue. So everything comes packed up in a really beautiful box. I really find these boxes very cute. If you are into DIYs, I guess this is going to be one of the decorative pieces that you can have. So as I open it, everything comes up in a really nice bubble wrapped packaging. That means that everything is going to be safe and secure. When I open it up, we have all of this jewelry. I really hope you can see it. But so in here I have so many things, and these are mainly earrings. I don't know if they give other things as well, but mostly I have earrings, and then I also have a couple of, you know, finger rings. That's it. I did not get any neck pieces or anything, so do let me know. Do they send necklaces and all? I'm not sure, but I have got mainly the earrings. So the first earring that I have is this one. It is a beautiful pearl golden color necklace. No, beautiful pearl golden with some rhinestones as well. It's a beautiful traditional piece with this pearl, and it looks really pretty. It's going to look really good with some gowns or some anarkalis with salwar kameez, I guess. It's a very festive piece. It's really beautiful. It is also heavy, and the quality of this one feels good. Now because I have received it, these are kind of new, so I cannot say how the wear and tear is like, whether they tarnish and what is the time span. So you really have to take care of them, since of course these are artificial jewelry, but then it looks really beautiful, and for the price point I guess it's really good. It is a little bit on the heavier end. It is nice. It's actually very nice. It feels substantial in itself, and I love this. You can wear it with a lot of things, saris or Indian ethnic wear mainly. Then moving on to the other one that I have is this one. Now this one is again a beautiful golden earring with pearls, and this one looks like this. So it has a couple of small jhumkis at the bottom, and it doesn't have apparently that back closure wala part, ye wala jo part जो प्लास्टिकी पार्ट होता है जिसे हम क्लोज करते हैं, it doesn't have that, which I think is not a good thing. It's not a good sign. In fact, you know, I guess every earring or every jewelry you know, shopkeeper or the person or the seller should give extra of these, just in case you might lose, or different sizes of these. So, but anyways, I really love this piece. I think this is really beautiful. Of course, not only is it going to go with all the ethnic wear, but it is really pretty. It's very decent, and at the same time loud enough. It is quite a statement piece, but it's a very subtle statement piece. I know that's quite an ironic statement to make, but still I guess it's a very beautiful piece. I think this is going to be one of my most personal favorites. I really like it. I mean, yeah, I guess I really like it. It's very beautiful, and the finishing of the jewelry is really nice. It has some rhinestones as well, so it has some yellowy goldenish rhinestone that matches the golden of the you know, earring, and it's very beautiful. I really like it. Yeah, it's beautiful. Now moving on to another one that I have is this one. So this is again a beautiful golden piece. Thank God we have golden pieces, because mostly for the festivals we all love golden jewelry, right? Unless of course you have a specific color of outfit or anything. Golden, I guess, goes mostly with all the Indian outfits, I feel like, and it's a very beautiful color, festive color. So the other one is this one. It's beautiful. It's a very unique kind of a piece, and it looks really nice with some pearls and some you know, black beading. I love this you know, shield effect. It looks like a shield effect to me, and it's pretty lightweight as well. So as opposed to what it looks on the camera, quite heavy and statement, but this is very, very lightweight and feels really good quality. I'm in love with this one. I really like it. I mean, so far I've shown you 3 earrings and I love all of them. So yeah, this is the one that I really, really like, and I guess is going to be such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece. And yeah, so I'm really happy with ORNABOX at the moment. And just to tell you guys, this is my first ORNABOX you know, unboxing video. I have done, I guess, 1 or 2 jewelry subscription boxes, and mostly I've liked them all, but I guess I'm really liking it because they have very unique pieces. The next one is a very loud one. So it is a beautiful what do you call it? It's like a silver, rustic silver color. It's beautiful, and the finishing of this one is really beautiful, guys. It's really good quality. It is also heavier, so of course it is not going to be, you know, very, very lightweight. It is a very long this thing earring, and it has this jhumkis as well. It has a weight to it, so I'm not sure how comfortable this is going to be, but looks really nice. I guess this can be even a regular piece. You can just wear it with a black kurta. I think it's going to look really, really pretty with some black kurta. It is again one of those very substantial pieces. It feels a really good quality actually. Then moving on to another one that I really, really like. I mean, this is the one that I actually tried without showing you guys. So I love this one. I have nothing that matches this one. It is not just a good quality piece, but it also looks really nice, red and golden. It looks beautiful. It has some kundan effect, and then of course it has pearls, it has the jhumki, and looks so beautiful. It is quite substantial. It is not very heavy, but it is also not very light. Looks really nice and looks good. Looks good quality. You know, it actually feels that you have invested some time and some money towards putting an effort in your jewelry piece, and I think it is such a beautiful piece that you can just wear this and that's about it. In fact, all of these are statement earrings, and if you can wear just this, you're just all good to go. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this one as well. It's beautiful. Then moving on to another thing we have in this box, and that would be the last thing in the box, is this one. Is this beautiful, really nice, you know, ruby color ring. It's a very big statement ring. It's beautiful. It has some really nice, you know, Jokin diamonds in the center, and then it has these ruby petals. So it is in the shape of a flower. Of course it is adjustable, so it can just fit your any finger, the ring finger, the middle finger, or your index finger, wherever you are comfortable wearing it. It looks really pretty, and I guess it's going to match with my this thing, so I'm going to keep wearing it. I really, really like it. I guess I'm very happy and excited with this piece. Actually, I'm not such a big fan of rings, basically the finger rings, but I guess I should start wearing finger rings because they look really cool. And if you're not wearing any other piece, I guess it is just perfect to, you know, wear one piece and get on with life. Bang on. Now I'm going to move on to the green box that I want to show you is this one. So in the green box, of course, we have some other pieces of jewelry. Again, the box is exactly similar to the previous one, but of course we have difference in the jewelry. So I have a couple of pieces in here as well, which I want to show you guys. The first piece that I have here is this one. So in this box we have this really beautiful silver jewelry. This is an oxidized silver one, and this is what it looks like. I mean, it is quite a unique piece. I'm simply in love with this one. It's such a beautiful statement piece, I cannot tell you. So it looks super, super beautiful. It has all these hanging things at the bottom, and then it looks super, super pretty. I'm really liking this, guys. It's such a beautiful piece, and let me tell you, the quality of each and every earring is really nice. So I would suggest you guys, if you are attending some marriage or for the festival, I guess ORNABOX should definitely be tried. I mean, I really like it. And then moving on to another piece that I want to show you is another ring, finger ring that I received in this one. So I'm going to remove this because this one would clash with this one. So it has this turquoise stone in it with some you know, jerkin diamonds into this, and it's a round earring, finger ring, and I guess it looks really beautiful. Again, this is in this oxidized silver color. It's very pretty, and I guess it is a very kind of a statement piece, of course, but it looks quite subtle, and it is not very heavy on the you know, hands as well. It feels very comfortable. It is adjustable, and I guess I would definitely wear it. It is one of those pieces which, of course, you can wear not only with the ethnic attire, but you can also wear with your you know, Western outfits, I guess, and it's going to look really, really nice. I love this one as well. Yeah, it's very pretty. I mean, abhi tak there's no single piece that I can say that I moderately like. I like all of them, honestly. Now, moving on to another of the earring that I want to show you quickly is this one. Now, this is one of those pieces that I have come across quite often. It is not a very unique piece, but again, it is in this oxidized gold thing. I love gold jewelry, you guys know about it. But then it looks really pretty with this green stone in the center. So this is what it looks like. So it is beautiful. It is in the shape of, I guess, Eiffel Tower. Yes, it looks like Eiffel Tower to me, but it's very, very pretty, and it has this green, you know, this thing, stone thing in the center. So if you're wearing something green with golden or something, this will be a perfect way to wear it. Of course, you can wear it with black as well, or if you want to just have some contrast of colors, you can just wear this on, and so pretty. So I love this one as well. And yeah, so this is the next piece in this one. Moving on to a small dainty, it's not really dainty, but yes, it's a smaller stud like an earring. So this is one of those which is like really pretty. It is in the shape of a flower again. So this is in a really nice off-white color, and it has all of these rhinestones. It's quite shiny. It is a rose gold earring and looks very pretty. You can just wear it. There's this clasp thing over here. You just wear it and then close the clasp, and that's about it. I guess it's a very nice piece, very dainty piece. You can just wear it. If you are a person who likes small pieces like I do, probably you will like it. And this is one of those pieces which you can wear it on a regular day you know, basis as well. So excuse me. So this one is, I appreciate that they give different kind of sizes. Really, really like it. And then moving on to one of my most favorite pieces, guys. I don't know why, there was something to it that just, you know, drew me towards it. It is a very unique piece, probably for me. I really liked it, and I guess it's such a nice statement piece. And of course, this is also not restricted just to Indian ethnic wear. You can wear it with you know, your Western attire as well, I feel like. So it's a beautiful, these are just circles, and you can just wear it like this. So it is oxidized gold, and these are very lightweight and simple circles, very, very modest, but at the same time they look so chic and they look so, you know, contemporary in design. I really like it. And yeah, so I definitely love this one. It looks really pretty to me. I never have ever owned such a jewelry in my life, and I don't know why, but I really find this design to be really interesting. So I love this one as well. And of course, you can wear it on a regular day-to-day basis as well. And of course, what to talk about the festivities, this will perfectly go with all the Indian attire. So that was about it, guys, in this video of mine about the ORNABOXes. Got two boxes, the green one and the blue one. The prices of each and every box will be mentioned on the screen as well as in the description box below for you guys. I really hope you've liked it. Do let me know which is your favorite piece in this particular box, and if you've not liked anything, do let me know that as well. And if you have subscribed to ORNABOX, or if you have purchased anything from them, do let me know your experience about it, because it is going to help a lot of us, because we are always contemplating about buying jewelry, and your reviews and recommendations are really, really precious and valuable. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you've liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, because I would really appreciate it, and it really motivates me to keep going. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you like my content. Otherwise, that's totally alright. And also make sure that you hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button so that you get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Happy festival season. Just enjoy yourself. Forget all your worries. Eat a lot of good food, spend a lot of quality time with your family and your loved ones, and all the good vibes coming your way from this channel. So thank you so much once again for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself, and I love you very much. Bye guys. Mwah.